Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovin Recipes. Today we are making soft, delicate and delicious crepes. This simple and versatile crepe recipe is perfect for breakfast, dessert or even a light snack. Stay tuned for fun facts, cooking tips and health benefits. Let's start. First, preparing the batter. Take 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons sugar and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk well until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Crepes originated in France and are one of the most famous European breakfast dishes. Melt 2 tablespoons butter and add to the mixture. Have you tried making crepes before? Share your experience in the comments. What's your favorite crepe filling? Sweet or savory? Let me know in the comments. Gradually add half cup flour and mix well to avoid lumps. The combination of eggs, flour and sugar gives instant energy. Slowly pour in 1.5 cup milk while stirring continuously until you get a smooth liquid batter. The perfect crepe batter should be thin and smooth to achieve the light and delicate texture. For extra softness, add a little more milk to make the batter thinner. Let the batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes for softer crepes. Grease a non-stick pan with a little oil. Pour a small amount of batter and quickly spread it evenly. Spread the batter quickly in the pan for even cooking. Cook on low heat to prevent burning and achieve a golden color. Cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges lift slightly. Use a non-stick pan to prevent the crepes from sticking. Flip carefully and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Easily digestible, soft and light, making it a great option for all ages. Unlike pancakes, crepes are thinner and can be filled with both sweet and savory ingredients. Crepes can be served in countless ways with Nutella, honey, fruits, cheese, or even eggs. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes.